Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is kind of just like a moving update for you guys, really quick. Check this madness out. So like that's all my stuff, me and Lindsay's stuff. That is a guitar. I play guitar. If you guys haven't seen my guitar channel, before I ever even made this channel, I was a guitarist on YouTube. So you can look up like Paul Savage guitar. Little unknown fact about you guys that you don't know about me. I have been an avid guitarist for years, but anyway, yeah, check out all this stuff. So just wanted to kind of show you quick like moving update. That's actually my desk. A lot of you probably have never even seen that thing because you're always on it looking at me. But yeah, that's like everything that we have. So we're done packing. I'm on vacation currently, but I'm filming this ahead of time. Oh, check out my rug. Ready? Me and Lindsay picked this out. Going very modern. So it's inverted, so it's black and got white stripes on it. It's a big rug, like 12 by 12. But on the other side is the opposite. It's a white rug with black lines on it. Yeah, pretty cool. So theme of our apartment, guys, I'll obviously give you a tour when we get there. But we've been going really neutral with a lot of our furniture. I don't have too many great examples, but our apartment has wood flooring. It's very modern. It's very, very nice. A blessing that I've been able to actually, have some success on Amazon, my YouTube channel, and, go live like that and work from my computer. Like, literally, I'm as happy as I could ever see myself being. Like, I don't need anything else. It's just like being able to have the freedom that, owning an online business gives you. That's the win. So like, even if you could just make enough to afford your lifestyle now, but without a boss, there you go. Like, you don't need to make $1 million. But anyway, yeah, just kind of showing you kind of like the update here. Oh, nice. I should probably fix that, huh? Just noticed it's raining out today. I'm getting a little bit of water in there next to the boxes, so good thing I came out to film this video. I don't know why I said that like this. I don't know why I said that like that. Anyway, yeah, it's really rainy out today, guys. So pretty cool view right out here. This room's kind of like an outdoor. This is where I filmed the course, the beginning of it. But yeah, I have this. These plants right here, and I'm gonna be moving anyway. This is my mother's house, but like very nice. Yeah, it's just like kind of a random topic video for you guys, but I just wanted to do more of like a vlog style video, let you know where I'm at in the process of moving. So when this comes out, I only have about 3 weeks left until we move. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd be interested in me vlogging the experience of moving across the country. Would you like me to actually record, getting on the plane? I could even record, packing up all this stuff into the U-Haul. I don't know. It'd be kind of fun to see and be able to look back on, like in 20 years, look at myself moving out for the first time at 19 years old across the country. Like, that's a pretty cool experience. So I guess, I could show you some stuff that's open. This is our toaster. We got the four slot toaster. Big toast fanatic, peanut butter, some chocolate chips. Oh man, don't mess with that. We got, this is what I was saying. That's pretty heavy. We got gray appliances. Shout out to the Target brand. It's kind of like funny, like this brand, I've never even heard of them before I started moving. But like we realized after picking out a lot of our stuff, sorry for the poor lighting right now, I'm like, should be the other way. Almost always that brand. Like they have good like rustic homeware, like we like really woodsy, earthy tones. I got a new chair, which is pretty cool. It's white and black, like fancy white and black. What is that? A spider? Let me see if I could show you guys the spider. Can you see him? Oh, it's a jumping spider. This is a pretty bad, it's so raw. That's why you guys love me though, because like I don't care about the editing and all that stuff. It's just me holding a camera in my best ability. Oh, I want to show you our cutting board. It's way too far back to do it. I'm not gonna climb on stuff and break stuff. But yeah, so we're pretty much gonna wrap this one up pretty soon, I guess. I'll definitely do a video, whether you guys like it or not, of me moving. I know I said to comment down below, but I think I'm going to do it just because I kind of pumped myself up for it about me moving. So why don't you go ahead and let me know what you think about that video, and if you'd be happy seeing me, move and unpack and doing an apartment tour. We could do some hiking in the mountains. Oh, that would be fun. I'm definitely gonna take you guys. Whoa, what are you doing, gimbal? All right, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you guys are having a great week. I should be back tomorrow or the next day and out of this gray hoodie. Been wearing it for like a week now. No, I'm just kidding. You guys know this is just one day for me, but it's a bunch of days for you. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, guys, and I might give myself a little bit of a break. So maybe there'll be one day that I don't upload or two, but this should be the last one. And then by the time I get back, we'll have some, you know, relaxing day. I'll figure something out, okay? I'm gonna keep the content coming for you guys and just take you along for the process. And yeah, see you later.